I think out of all the other millions of girls, said to myself that day, काश मैं पिया जायसवाल होती यार, काश मैं पिया जायसवाल होती, काश अभय रायचंद मेरा होता. And today is that moment that it has come alive, that dream has come alive. Vivian Desena in the studios, who played the iconic character of Abhay Raichand, in the studios with me. Hi Vivian, welcome.
Hello, and hello Dubai, and thank you so much for having me here.
It is so good to have you in the studios.
Pleasure is all mine.
Absolutely incredible. I mean,
you very
जैसे
much.
टीवी पे आपको देखा था बिल्कुल वैसे हो. There's no 19-20 का फर्क. You look just as young when you looked when you debuted on TV, also when you were playing Abhay Raichand, and I think I'm just in awe of you right now.
I think God has been very kind to me, and all thanks to my mother and father who gave me this genetics. So I think that's one good thing, and I mean I'm very grateful for that.
Absolutely. So Vivian has been, I think, one of the best models we've had in the industry, and then uske saath when you see him, playing these iconic characters, you just know that this is who you want to see on that screen. But I want to ask you कि modeling से आपने शुरू किया था, was acting a coincidental thing or did you always have that in mind?
Acting was a fluke actually for me.
Fluke?
Yeah.
वो
So वो ऐसे कि those days, modeling days, we never had this emailing photos or WhatsApping photos. Nowadays everything is online.
Correct.
You know how you look. You can just click a selfie and send it to the casting director, and they can see how you look.
Correct.
That used to never happen. We used to deliver physical, like personally go to agencies and production houses and drop our pictures in physical copies.
Hard copies, not
Hard
even
copies.
soft copies.
Yeah, not even soft copies. Hard copies, like
Prints.
And we used to have this portfolio kind of thing
बिल्कुल,
those days.
हाँ,
वो एक file
मुझे
होती थी. So we used to carry that file, and obviously we used to carry those I think 4x8 size of photographs. I still remember that.
Oh God.
उसको 4x8 बोलते थे.
हाँ.
तो एक छोटी फोटोग्राफ होती थी, उसमें आपकी 4-5 अलग-अलग profiles की photo, and you have to drop it to different production houses. So like one of the struggling days, I was just going to Low Parel. Low Parel is in Mumbai, and where most of the ad agencies are.
हाँ जी.
So मैं और मेरे एक दोस्त हम वहाँ जा रहे थे, and he said कि यार मुझे ना एक 20-25 मिनट का काम है. I have an audition. तो संक्रमण स्टूडियोज गोरेगांव ईस्ट, दैट्स बाय बालाजी टेल फिल्म्स. तो बोले मुझे एक बालाजी टेल फिल्म्स का ना एक ऑडिशन देना है. तो मैं वो एक ऑडिशन दे देता हूँ, फिर उसके बाद हम गोरेगांव स्टेशन से ट्रेन पकड़ के लो परेल चले.
You were just accompanying him.
Yeah, so I was just accompanying him, and he went inside. We went to the studio. He went inside. I was outside, just taking a walk around the place. It's a nice place, jungle around, so greenery. So I was just taking a walk, and this, creative person, whoever,
Walked up to you.
she walked up to me and she's like, "So are you ready?" I was like, "Am I ready for what?" She's like, "You've come for audition." I said, "No, I've not come for audition. I'm sorry. I'm a model. I'm not an actor." She's like,
She
"No."
mistook you.
Yeah, she mistook me. So I was like, "But I don't know how to act. So please, I cannot do this job because I don't know the job. And how can I charge money for a job which I don't know?"
Right.
So she was like, "No. Don't do the job, but." Don't do the show, but just for my database. So those days, senior casting directors used to tell these creative people or assistant casting directors, get a database.
कि spot करो.
हाँ, कि आपके पास होना चाहिए different kind of actors and models.
Correct, हाँ.
So she's like, just for my database, you give an audition. I was like, but I'm very bad. Like I don't know how to act.
You were downplaying yourself.
No, I was not
so
downplaying
hard.
myself. No, I was really bad. I was pathetic.
Oh God.
Like मुझे मैं मतलब I have all my sympathy and empathy to.
इतना खराब कोई नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं, initially में था, बहुत बुरा था. So I was like, it's okay, she's probably asking for a help and requesting. I was like, but see, if I get a call, I won't be able to do the job. She's like, no, you won't get a call, you just give an audition. तो मैं ऐसे ही स्क्रिप्ट दी, मुझे 4-5 लाइनें बोलनी थी. तो मैं I learned the lines and I went inside and I just delivered and I left. अब हम चले गए लो परेल. फिर कुछ 1-1.5-2 महीने बाद ना मुझे फोन आता है, और फोन भी कहाँ आता है, मेरे होम टाउन के लैंडलाइन पे.
That was the number you'd given.
Yeah.
Because you didn't expect it.
हाँ.
लैंडलाइन का नंबर दे देता हूँ, कभी नहीं कॉल आएगा.
Exactly. So I was like, मैं अपने होम टाउन का नंबर दे देता हूँ, तो ये लोग परेशान नहीं करेंगे और ये खुद भी परेशान नहीं होंगे, क्योंकि मुझे कास्ट कर लिया तो मुझे एक्टिंग आती नहीं, ये जरूर परेशान हो जाएंगे. So I was like, okay. So, luckily I was in my hometown. They called her like, Vivian Desena. I was like, yeah. They're like, we're calling from Balaji Telfilms. And I'm holding the phone like this, looking at the phone, and I go in flashback. I was like,
oh,
I
right.
told you I don't know how to act. And I was like, listen guys, no, please come to Balaji house and we are having a leap in Kasam se and please come.
That was the
we would
debut,
like to
right.
meet you. So I was like, but I don't know how to act. They were like, we'll teach you.
हो जाएगा
हम सिखा
सब
देंगे
हो जाएगा सब हो जाएगा
वो हमारे डायरेक्टर सिखा देंगे आपको हमारे डायरेक्टर डीओपी बहुत अच्छे हैं वो आपको सब सिखा देंगे और सब ऐसे ही सीखते हैं I was very paranoid so I was like चलो ठीक है देखते हैं I asked my mother so my mother told me she's like you know it's something new and you'll have a good experience and you'll get something new to learn and you know
why not
it's okay even if you fail you've just failed you try something else
but at that point didn't you feel like it was a privilege you know मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं किया इनफैक्ट मैंने जाके बोला है कि मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ मुझे मत हायर करो एंड समवन जस्ट इंसिस्ट कि नो वी वांट यू with all the other actors who were already there established and they came for you doesn't that feel like यार ये this was meant to come to me
you know मेरा एक डायलॉग है जो शाहरुख सर के डायलॉग से थोड़ा मैच करता है you know probably you will hear that dialogue in my futuristic projects but I'll say it to you right now कि जब कुछ भी आपके नसीब में लिखा होता है तो पूरी कायनात उसे आप तक पहुंचा देती है
100%
so I think you know I was you know destined to become Vivian Desena actor so rather than just being a model
100%.
so and you know I was somebody who was very content with my modeling career as well because मैं तब भी ठीक कर रहा था मतलब Levi's Flying Machines Spiker
and modeling is something you wanted to do
yeah I wanted to become a model and I have done like by God's grace I've done like the biggest brands of India
Correct.
from Raymond's to Levi's these were like
right.
those days the top notch brands of India and I was very happy with it but then this comes and you know I landed up on Kasam Se sets and this is where my journey began I was beyond pathetic of an actor
no but प्यार की एक कहानी till date I think literally like if you just open YouTube open any of these videos
I think it took 2 flop performances from me to reach प्यार की एक कहानी so you know कसम से I was a beyond
wasn't प्यार की ये कहानी your second
no third
what was the second
so basically I did Kasam Se where you know I goofed up a lot as an actor because I didn't know how to act then second प्यार की एक कहानी where no second was Agni Pariksha Jeevan Ki on Colors and it was an afternoon slot and you know they wanted me to be a romantic hero और
which you were
नहीं मुझे हीरो बनना नहीं आता था रोमांस कहाँ से करता so you know it's like I told them I'm like what is the character they're like our hero is very romantic I was like मैं हीरो ठीक से नहीं बन पाया हूँ अभी तुम लोग रोमांस भी करवाओगे मुझसे जो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आता so I think that was a fab experience and it was quite a learning and I think rejection is something which teaches you a lot and it adds up to you as an artist like a fuel
right.
You know, so rejection is technically fuel where you know people you know sometimes in their career they think yeah I was rejected and now what will happen to me and I had this project and I was banking on this नहीं दोस्त वो आपके नसीब में नहीं था उसको भूल जाओ
correct
मैंने कहा ना जो कुछ भी आपके नसीब में होता है पूरी कायनात उसे आप तक पहुंचा देगी
बिल्कुल
so you know having said that अग्नि परीक्षा जीवन की गंगा I was actually my character was replaced because I was a bad actor and they no you like to have some tea
नहीं ये हम चाय चर्चा बाद में कर लेंगे
क्योंकि मैं तो सिर्फ कॉफी पीता हूँ
coffee अच्छा you're a coffee person I'm a chai person I was born and raised in Dubai
yeah no, Nuran was born and raised in Egypt and Bahrain but she's a chai person
yes high five sister
so you know there they had to replace my character and get another character because the character was doing bad and the show was doing bad
oh
that is the
ये क्या inception हो गया
हाँ so फिर then you know one fine day I get a call from Balaji Telfilms and I was like super excited so Balaji is calling me again मतलब मुझे काम आ गया है
like इतना बुरा करने के बाद भी
हाँ मतलब इतनी बुरी एक्टिंग करने के बाद कसम से मैं इन लोगों को फिर भी भरोसा है मुझ पे कि हम इससे काम करवा लेंगे
किस्मत कायनात
so I think it was Ekta ma'am's vision and she's queen for a reason
I mean प्यार की एक कहानी was such a cult show the iconic character of Abhay Raichandani was such a you know मतलब उसका craze जो था उस time पे
only Ekta ma'am could imagine and see through this
but can I tell you honestly no it was also you because
thank you very much
that entry scene till date is the most iconic. You entering into that college. अगर आज भी आप किसी से पूछ लो कि ये character अगर replace हो जाता है, some other actors brought in, nobody is going to watch the show because it was all you.
Thank you
It
very
was
much.
all you, Vivian. And
I think a big credit goes to my director as well, Mr. Partha Mitra. He's a very senior director. So I think why aesthetically Pyar Ki Kahani looks so beautiful is because it was shot by Partha Mitra. And he's a very senior director. And you know how senior? He's coming from the times of Shanti and before.
अगर विवियन डिसेना आपके स्टूडियो में बैठे हो, मतलब मजाल है किसी की कि किसी और को देखे. एंड आई जस्ट फाउंड आउट समथिंग वेरी फैसिनेटिंग. सो देयर इज दिस एंट्री सीन ऑफ विवियंस जो बहुत ही ज्यादा फेमस हुआ था एज अभय रायचंद व्हेन ही वॉक्स इनटू दैट यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस इन प्यार की एक कहानी. उन्होंने बड़े आइकॉनिक से चश्मे पहने थे एंड ही जस्ट शोड मी हिज पेयर ऑफ ग्लासेस एंड सेड दीज आर द सेम ग्लासेस दैट आई वोर इन द शो. मतलब दिस सेज सो मच अबाउट यू एज अ पर्सन कि एक तो आपका कमिटमेंट कि अगर मैं किसी चीज से कमिटमेंट कर लूं तो उसके बाद मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
वेरी सलमान खान मोड ऑफ योर्स.
I'm also a Salman Khan fan. Na? I'm Salman sir's fan, and
Arre.
been around him, and he's always been an inspiration. And I think whenever I have met him in life, professionally or personally, his words of wisdom have really struck me well at the right place and have helped me a lot as a professional.
Absolutely, I'm 100% sure. मतलब ये मुझे पूछना था. So there's this one question I had. प्यार की एक कहानी because back then it became such a big craze. उसके बाद opportunities would have like started flooding you with like different kinds of characters. You looking like that macho stud in that particular show. वैसे आने लग गए होंगे आपके पास offers.
I refused about 4 shows because they want me to play exact character like Abhay Raichan.
No.
Yes.
But that character did suit you really well.
The character did suit me well, but as a professional, I just didn't want to get myself stuck into one character
100%,
for life.
Absolutely.
You know what happens essentially in TV also, somebody plays one iconic character. मेरा ऐसा था कि मतलब, देखो पहले तो काम आता नहीं था, अब आ गया
तो एक ही टाइप का
तो मैं ऐसा करूंगा कि मतलब लोग देखते रह जाएं. So this was the intention that my character should be different. And then as Abhay Raichan was not a very performance oriented role because vampires are very less expressive people.
Correct.
So
but then to get the right the wild expressions where you're turning into a creature, it's not normal, it's not human expressions that you're giving over there. वो कैसे आपने perfect किया?
वो उसकी बहुत rehearsal करी थी मैंने क्योंकि वो मेरा पहला show था as a hero.
It's uncomfortable also, right? With
no, they used to get these fangs and they used to take measurements and get proper fangs done by a dentist and they used to fit in for us right before the shot and that's how we used to execute the shot.
But मुझे ये पूछना है, so after all of that, I'm sure you would have gotten a lot, you would have been bombarded with all of these things. कोई एक ऐसा phase आया था where you didn't know how to handle it anymore and you were just struggling with figuring out how इससे आगे अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, क्या करूँ?
Honestly speaking, I was first of all, while I signed Pyar Ki Kahani, I was clueless because I did not see any stardom in my life. So it was actually a journey, and more than a journey, it was like a leap of faith कि कोई काम आता नहीं है उससे आप सीधा हीरो बन जाते हो, and you suddenly become a national rage, and people start recognizing you. तो मतलब मुझे इनिशियली तो बड़ा डर लगने लगा था कि मैंने कहा यार अब मैं मतलब कहीं जा नहीं सकता हूँ अब मैं because I'm sitting and having dinner with my mother and people walk up to me, I'm like okay guys give me 10 minutes, I'll finish and come.
Oh God.
So मैं बड़ा डर गया था but I mean but I think it's the fans' love and my viewers who have made me reach here in life and I'm very grateful.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, and I think after Pyar Ki Kahani the battle was bigger because I was getting all the roles very similar to Abhay Raichan. They were like, we just want this brooding guy, wearing a suit. I was like, listen guys, I'm not going to do this because I'm not going to just keep repeating myself. एक तो लोगों को पता है कि मुझे acting नहीं आती थी.
By that time, had you started enjoying acting?
Yeah.
कि अब मुझे कुछ अलग करना है, इसमें मजा आ गया, चस्का लगाए.
हाँ, अब वो प्यार की कहानी हुआ, उसके बाद तो मतलब I was in talks with a lot of shows. तो 3-4 shows तो मैंने ऐसे ही मना कर दिया. मैंने कहा I'm sorry sir कि मैं same character तो बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगा.
Correct.
Then I was offered Madhubala and Madhubala was a role of a superstar. So suddenly shifting from like less expressive character to only expressing.
A very expressive character, extremely expressive character.
So I think what drove me so far with Madhubala was कि क्या हुआ, किसी ने एक गलती तो नहीं कहूँगा मैं तो थैंक यू बोलता हूँ उस इंसान को आज तक, किसी ने एक आर्टिकल लिख दिया और वो आर्टिकल मैंने गलती से पढ़ लिया. उस आर्टिकल में ये लिखा था विवियन डिसेना अ मिसकास्ट फॉर अ लार्जर देन लाइफ शो लाइक मधुबाला एक इश्क एक जुनून। तो मतलब हाँ, वो एक तो वो डायरेक्ट बेइज्जती थी।
हाँ.
तो मैंने कहा अच्छा।
हाँ.
फिर मैंने कहा तो वो आर्टिकल की कॉपी मेरे पास अभी भी, मैंने उसको लैमिनेट करा के अपने कबर्ड में रखा हुआ है, वो मेरे
That was
डॉक्यूमेंट्स
your
में।
motivation.
हाँ, मैंने कहा तो उस आर्टिकल को मैंने 3 बार पढ़ा। वो आर्टिकल मतलब लिटरली मुझे याद हो गया। मैंने कहा अच्छा। मैंने कहा अब रुक, अब मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ कितना बड़ा मिसकास्ट हुआ है। एंड आई टुक इट पर्सनली।
जब तक इस आर्टिकल को मैं रिवर्स नहीं कर देता।
मैंने कहा अब ये जिसने लिखा है ना
सांस नहीं
मिसकास्ट, अब ये ढूंढ रही होगी मुझे
ये-
इंटरव्यू के लिए,
ये disappear
ढूंढ रही
हो
होगी या
जाएगा।
ढूंढ रहा होगा, जो भी है।
Oh God, but that's amazing to see how, you know, you didn't want to do something, but then you accidentally ended up doing it, और आपको इतना उसमें वो motivation मिला that you pushed yourself to get out of that comfort zone and do something new. Which brings me to my next question कि अगर आप actor नहीं बनते, let's say that
फुटबॉलर।
मैं क्वेश्चन भी नहीं खत्म किया मैंने तो, but I knew that you come from an athletic family.
Yeah, I come from an
So-
athletic family. My mother and my father, they both played for Indian Railways and for the country. And my father was a footballer, and my mother was a shot put and a discus thrower.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and she was also a basketball player.
Amazing.
That's where the
So
height came
100%,
from.
100% you would have been a footballer then, if not an
Yes.
actor. But okay, lastly, if you had to just recap, है ना, इतने सारे projects किए, इतना कुछ किया है, which has been the most challenging one and which has been the most fun? Most challenging, सबसे difficult आपको क्या लगा था? Would it be the first one because it was just new to you and you didn't know what you were doing?
No,
Or-
actually nahi. Even Abhay Raichand was not that difficult. The most difficult performance for me ever was Madhubala.
Madhubala was.
Because it was a very complex character. मतलब you know, वो एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर था ना, सुपरस्टार्स की एक इमेज है
Correct.
हमारी कंट्री में स्पेशली। और अगर आप उस इमेज पे खरा नहीं उतरोगे तो मतलब प्यार की कहानी करने का भी कोई फायदा नहीं बेटा, तुम फ्लॉप एक्टर कहलाओगे। सो यू नो, आई बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस आई हैड टू टेक इट पर्सनली एंड आई वर्कड ऑन माई सेल्फ. I used to rack my director's brain day in and out, but he was very sweet. And he taught me the right things, and they helped me a lot, my technical team. And that's where, you know, I started getting the, you know, feel of character,
Right.
of the character, and then Madhubala is what today we are.
If प्यार की कहानी was being made in today's time and let's say movie बन रही थी and you were cast as your, you know, iconic character of Abhay Raichand, who would you pick as your co-star, you know, as Pia Jaiswal but in Bollywood?
I think I'd leave this decision to Ekta ma'am. You know why?
She has the eye.
She has a better vision than me. जिसने मुझ जैसे एक्टर को ये विजुअलाइज कर लिया कि मैं अभय रायचंद बन सकता हूँ, so I think ये काम उन्हीं पे छोड़ दिया जाए. I think let the professionals
But
do their
nobody you
job.
have in mind that you think would fit the character of Pia Jaiswal, the innocence that Pia is supposed to have, that kind of a character?
I think there are many new, you know, upcoming actresses who've come up. Many new female actors who've come up recently, and most of them are very good.
Most of
So आप किसी एक particular इंसान का नाम नहीं ले सकते हो. But like I said, I'm somebody who doesn't get into or doesn't, you know, prefer to do these things because मेरा simple फंडा है, जिसका काम उसे करने देना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो इंसान वो काम आपसे ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से जानता है. So I think vision, Ekta ma'am I trust.
So you said that you're not a romantic person. I would really like to get on an off-air conversation and find out कि ये स्टोरी कैसे शुरू हुई थी और किसने शुरू की थी नूरान के साथ. I'm pretty sure she would have taken all the efforts because you seem like the shy Abhay Raichand. मैं तो नहीं बात करूँगा.
नहीं ऐसा
नहीं?
ऐसा नहीं है. इन्होंने मुझे पहली बार एक प्रोफेशनल मैसेज भेजा था, तो मैंने इनके फोन को भी वैसे ही देखा. देखिए क्या होता है ना, कुछ तो एटीट्यूड और स्टाइल ऊपर वाला भी देके भेजता है.
Correct.
तो वो मेरी आदत होती थी कि मैं चीज़ों को ऐसे देखता था जब मैं किसी चीज़ों को पर्सनली लेता था. अच्छा तो इनका जब मुझे एक बार लोग ये स्टोरी जानते हैं वैसे, तो जब पहली बार जो मैसेज आया था तो मैंने ऐसे मैसेज देखा था, मैंने कहा ये कौन है ये जिसने मुझे ये प्रोफेशनल मैसेज करा.
अच्छा.
मैंने कहा इसको जवाब देना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने सीधा जवाब दिया. मैंने कहा यू नो, इन्होंने मुझे मैसेज करा था कुछ इंटरव्यू के लिए, और वो मेरी टीम के पास आया था, और मैंने कुछ 3-4 महीने तक जवाब नहीं दिया था इंटरव्यू का. तो इन्होंने मुझे एक
Oh God, look at her face, the disappointment.
नहीं कहाँ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, अब तो शादी कर ली भाई, फैमिली बसा ली, किस बात का डिसअपॉइंटमेंट.
सब कर लिया.
अब तो ये रोज इंटरव्यू लेती है मेरा. तो हाँ, आई थिंक ये वो जो मैंने 4 महीने तक रुका के रखा था, इन्होंने कहा था अब तू जिंदगी भर इंटरव्यू देगा
बेटा,
मुझे,
मेरी बारी आएगी.
अब तू प्रोफेशनल नहीं, अब तू पर्सनल क्वेश्चन भी मुझे आंसर करेगा.
100%, yeah. But this was such a fun conversation with you, Vivian.
Thank you so much.
Such a pleasure having you in the studios. मतलब स्क्रीन से बाहर
Pleasure's
निकल
all
के
mine.
लाइव, बस मेरा दिन बन गया. मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मोक्ष मिल चुका है मुझे. But that was Vivian Desena in the studios with us. You can catch the conversation on our social media as well. This is Big 106.2, the beat of Bollywood. Thank you, Vivian.
Thank you so much. Thank you all our lovely listeners. Lots of love to you. Salam alaikum.
Okay,
Yeah, all relaxed.
I don't want to pressure you.
No.
Chalo, abhi live.
No, let's go.
It looks very much
My ribbon is green, man. For the match, last to last.
You were there with him?
Yes, I was there.
Oh,
I played. Yeah, I played. No, I was not there for when Dino was here. We had come last year after. I think it was after Eid.
During Eid.
During Eid, and we had played a charity match because we are with the All Stars.
Right.
So we have this football team where we play for a cause. So it's basically playing for humanity. Yeah, all of us like Ranveer, Dino,
Yes, of course.
everybody.
Also.